To comply with the remote ID rules identification requirements, drone pilots have 3 options available to them, ensuring seamless integration into the airspace. First, pilots can choose to operate a standard remote ID drone. These drones come equipped with built-in remote ID broadcast capability, transmitting identification and location information about the drone and its control station, all in accordance with the remote ID rules requirement. The second option is to operate a drone with remote ID broadcast module. When added to the drone, this module enables it to broadcast identification and location information about the drone and its takeoff location. And finally, for those operating in FAA-recognized identification areas sponsored by community-based organizations or educational institutions, there is an option to operate without remote ID equipment. FAA-recognized identification areas, or FRIAs, are designated locations where unmanned aircraft, including drones and radio-controlled airplanes, can operate without broadcasting remote ID message elements. These 3 options provide flexibility and ensure the drone pilots can easily meet the remote ID requirements, fostering a safer and more efficient airspace environment.